Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Sway Cuban Break. Now knowing how to do a sway already would be really helpful, and having experience leading footwork would be really helpful. So I'll put links in the description below of the sway and a series of videos that are good for teaching you how to lead footwork, so you can go back and look at this stuff easily and quickly if you need it. So the move, and with the Cuban break, there's not a set number you have to do, so you can lead it. My normal recommendation would be you choose how many to do according to the music you're listening to, well, you'll see. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's some double time steps going across the body and back again. So if we just do a couple of those on our own first, if we step back on the right and then back to the left, over to the left on the left, and then all we're going to do is cross over and replace, cross over and replace. We're going to do 4 during the video. How many you do in freestyle is up to you. It's all leadable. So let's put it together. Man's right, lady's right. Semicircle back, standard sway, we go wrap. We're going to pick up the spare hand. It's going to be useful. We're going to all go back on the right. Then we're going to go back on the left, but not straight back. We're going to make it happen. We're going back diagonally to the left. That's our prep. And then we're going to do our Cuban break. So we're going to go forwards to the right and replace back where we are now. So we're going to go over and back, over and back, over and back, over and back. Lift the left hand, straighten the right arm, send the lady away. Get the lady coming around, and we're actually in the accordion position now, and then we're just going to do a return to finish off, and we're done. So let's think numbers. We're going to go back 1, wrap 2, back 3, prep 4, breaking 5, 6, 7, 8, away 1, look 2, return 3, and back 4. It will feel quick when you're doing the Cuban break, because effectively you have 4 weight changes when we would normally do 2 weight changes, but it's still quite doable. So let's try it. Here we go. 5, 6, sway, Cuban break. We go a back, wrap, back on the right, back on the left, break 1, 2, 3, 4, away, face, return, and back, and that is that. The Sway Cuban break. You'll be surprised how well it will work out on the dance floor once you kind of get into the rhythm of it. So do like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Notifications mean you get told every time a new video comes out so you don't miss anything. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to. It's just a link to a music video of something that you can dance this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.